Hello friends and welcome to Infotainment. Well, here we'll see how to make a logo background transparent. So let us see straight away how to do that. So for that I'll not be using any software, but I'll tell you how to do it online free of cost. So here I'll tell you one website, that is Photopea, P online. It's almost like a Photoshop but in an online version. So as you can see, this window will open. So once you open this window, just go to File, New, and here you can select some project. For example, I'll select photo and maybe this one 3.5 into 5 inch. So once I do that, the screen will come. So for example, I want to select a logo, one of the popular logo. This is, I'll just copy image and here paste. For example, this is the logo I want to select this M, and rest of the thing should be transparent. So how do I do that? So here, as you can see, in the left side there is something called magic wand. Just click here, and so as you can see, I select that subject and it is processing, so the subject is selected. Well, if I delete it, you can see the very thing that I wanted to keep has been deleted, so it has not been selected properly. I will simply press Ctrl Z. And how to invert the selection? Very simple. All the shortcuts of Photoshop will also apply here. That is, I have to press Ctrl Shift and I. Once I do that, this except this aim, everything else is selected, that is the red portion is selected. So now simply I will press this delete key. Once I press this, you can see everything else has been deleted except M. Here you can see I have increased the tolerance level to 255. If I decrease it to like 10 or something, you can see how things are selected. So it is not proper. So make it as high as possible. I make it 250 or something, then this thing happens. So you can see how easily I got a transparent image of this logo. So here the task is half done. The main trick lies in saving it properly. So before saving, you can see in the right side, as you can see, this layer 1 has deleted, or layer 1 has the transparent file. Because the background is already there as a white sheet, the background also is getting displayed in this file. If you save this as PNG, this transparency will be lost. So what you need to do here is simply deselect this background, and you can see when you see this checkered boxes like black and white rectangles, be sure that this is the transparent image. So what you have to do here is save this file. So I'll save this, save like export .png. So once I press .png, remember that only .png retains the transparency. All other formats simply eats away the transparency until it will be a simply simple white image instead of a transparent file. So here you can see the save option will come. I'll just simply click on save. You can see it has been downloaded. So let me check whether the transparent file is how the transparent file looks. So this is the transparent file, as you can see. So I'll just minimize it and let me use it to show that it is really transparent. For example, this is another picture I have pasted over or in another project. So over this image, I want to overlay that transparent M that I have just created. So let me see how it works. I'll go to that folder, where download folder, you can see new project. This is my file. If I just bring in and drag and drop here, look, this is the transparent M that I was talking about. So this is how you create a transparent logo from the background and create a transparent file and use it anywhere you want. So I hope you knew how easy it is to do it online instead of going for a full-fledged Photoshop software in your PC. Just go to online Google and type in Photopea. This is the website, and follow the steps that I have told you right now to get a transparent logo. And don't forget to save it as PNG, because that file format only retains the transparency of your logo. So friend, that's it. I hope you learned something interesting. If you found this useful, please like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment for getting more of such little technical videos. So till then, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.